Those white spots on your shower screen aren't just dirt, they're mineral deposits. Here's how to remove them properly and clean your shower screen the right way. Here is the kit you will need: an equal parts solution of dish soap and white vinegar, a non-scratch scouring pad, and a squeegee. Spray your solution of equal part vinegar and dish soap all over the glass and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. You need to give it enough time to break down that cloudy film, but don't let it dry completely. Next, give it a light scrub with your non-scratch sponge. Focus on the bottom of the glass where the buildup is the heaviest. You'll feel the texture of the glass change as the buildup lifts away. Rinse the glass thoroughly with warm water. Now for the pro finish, using your squeegee, start from the top corner and pull down in one smooth motion, wiping the blade after every pass. How do I keep my window glass cleaner for longer? Use a squeegee after every shower. It only takes 30 seconds, but this will prevent minerals from drying on the glass. I hope these tips help you get your home looking its absolute best. If you'd like to see more expert cleaning advice, follow our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and save for later. Or jump onto Airtasker, post a task and have a tasker come out today.